So, speaking overall, I think that you should sit on the hands regardless of the temptation. Do not watch TV all day long looking to buy stocks at their supposed bottoms with intraday trading. It'll just drive you mad. I had gotten in trouble before on CNBC and some of the other networks when the producers tell me before the show is make sure that you have a lot of energy, make sure you have an actionable idea, push it hard, be controversial. I'm happy to do all those things, but I will tell you now, I think it's a time to just relax. Just relax. Because although it looks like we're catching a bit of a rebound from the breaking of the momentum trade, which had taken us really far for a pretty long time, the last few years, I'm still seeing some stocks that I like fundamentally struggling to pop through critical resistance levels on their price charts, technical analysis. And you need that to have my required combo of good fundamentals, improving fundamentals, and also a clean technical profile. I'm going to believe it when I see it, because I don't think that the momentum trade or the collapse of the momentum trade is over. So you know what? Grab your cash. You can earn 4 to 5% by just buying 3-month US Treasury bills. Do it. In the meantime, circle up your ideas and get ready to pounce. I just think it's premature to do that. So there's a couple of stocks here that are in my bullpen. They are highlighted here in yellow. And my stocks that I would buy today, based on what I just told you about the background not being conducive to that, my buy list is smaller and smaller, and it's featuring more and more non-tech companies. So the ones that I would buy today, let's focus on those. I am encouraged with Amazon, one of my few, if not the only ones in the Mag 7 I buy. I mentioned Palantir earlier, Netflix, I'm still on board. And then I've gotten out of tech and tried to buy some names in other areas. And these have been primarily pretty good non-tech picks. Citigroup, T-Mobile, which some people would say is at least somewhat a tech stock. Take-Two Interactive. Don't care about AI with Take-Two Interactive. I care all about the release this fall of Grand Theft Auto 6. Should be huge. The old Raytheon RTX, the best positioned company in defense spending. Also gold. Gold's a pretty good place to hide. I don't buy gold bars. When I invest in crypto, which I do from time to time, I don't buy Bitcoin, I buy the ETFs. And I am in as a hiding place, at least temporarily, in the gold ETF GLD. And then I have Duke Power, right? Nobody's going to accuse Duke Power of being too exciting, right? It's a electric utility. Also interested in, looking at some other names. I told you about Akamai last week. Akamai is very interesting to me. It does not have any momentum. It will not have any momentum. The stock is in a death spiral. But I've covered the company since the late 90s when it went public. It was one of the early internet-oriented companies to go public in that era. And their CEO, Tom Layton, already owns a ton of stock. And when things are very bad at the company, at least temporarily, he buys and size. And he recently did that for the long term. That is an awesome buy-tell for Akamai. But I will tell you, it could go down more first. I actually think I wouldn't buy the stock until it maybe had a limit price of $78 or $79 per share. But when this particular CEO buys, I sit up and listen.